It's me, Unit Dhagal, and here we will be learning about optics. Optics is a branch of physics which deal with the behavior of light. Deals with different phenomena and behavior of light. Under this topic, we will be studying as first lesson will be nature of light, where we will be discussing about the nature of light depending upon many theories, and we will see the proof of Eisen's. Okay, there will be the application of Eisen's principle. We will be seeing about them in first lesson, and on second lesson we have lens aberration. What do you mean by aberration? Aberration is an shortcoming, inherent shortcoming of lens. It is not due to faulty construction, but it is the inherent shortcomings on lens due to different reasons. And here are two types of aberration. One is monochromatic aberration and another is chromatic aberration. We will be studying sub type of this aberration. And in this lesson, we will additionally study about Ramden's eyepiece and Eisen's eyepiece. Okay. And our third lesson is about interference. In interference, we will, what actual interference is? This interference means when two light of coherent sources collide each other, we saw a similar pattern which is known as interference, which is caused by the collision of two coherent sources. Now our next lesson will be diffraction. When light travels through the narrow slit, it is split off, which is known as a diffraction. And we will be studying about polarization. Polarization means unifying the direction of the light in certain direction, or we have O ray and E ray. The method of separating O ray and E ray is also known as the polarization, or only one component. The light with only one component is known as polarization. Okay, we can describe it in different ways. And in 7 we will be discussing about dispersion and scattering. Dispersion means the separation of different color when passing through some medium is known as dispersion, and dispersion is due to because different color of light has different wavelength, so they have different velocity. And scattering means when light falls on a small portion of incident ray, it reflects back, which is known as scattering. And in our last lesson is about holography. It is an 3D representation of any object. Now we have some important formula which are required and which is very basic. Okay, formula. First formula we need everywhere is mu is equals to sin I upon sin R. And second is law of reflection. In law of reflection, angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, and all normal incident ray and reflection ray lies in a same plane. This is the law of reflection, and law of refraction is this: mu is equals to sin I by sin r. And another is angle of refraction, angle of incident ray, and normal ray all lies on the same plane. This is the law of reflection and law of refraction. Now, another required formula is fringe width is equal to lambda d upon d. This formula is very important. Please note it. And another required formula for solving many numerical problems is condition of achromatism. This is first required formula. Please remember it. Condition of achromatism is dispersive power upon frequency of 1 plus dispersive power of second upon 2 is equals to 0. This is the most important formula. And another required formula is 1 by f is equals to 1 upon u plus 1 upon d. And another formula is 1 upon f is equals to mu minus 1 upon r1 plus 1 upon r2. And another required formula for combined lengths is 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon f1 plus 1 upon f2. And for lenses at certain distance, 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon f1 plus 1 upon f2 minus certain distance d, okay? D upon f1 into f2. These are the basic formula. Oh, I forgot one. Optical path is equals to geometric path into reflective index of the medium. These are the required formulae. Now we will be studying about nature of light in another session. Thank you.